In this video, I'll guide you through how to create docs in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to name your document, and how to feel confident starting any new doc inside your workspace. Let's start from the main ClickUp interface, where you can see your usual tasks, spaces, or projects. Up in the top right corner of the screen, next to your profile avatar, you'll see a Create button. It usually appears as a plus sign inside a small button. This is the central place in ClickUp for starting new items like tasks, views, and of course, docs. Move your cursor to that Create button and click it once. When you do, a drop-down menu opens. This menu lists different types of items you can create. Look through that menu until you see the option labeled Doc. The wording may be short and simple, but this is where all your written content and documentation will live. Go ahead and click on Doc. As soon as you select it, ClickUp will open a new doc window or panel. Depending on your workspace settings, this might appear in the main area of the screen or slide in from the side. Either way, you're now inside a brand new blank document ready to type. Before you start writing, it's a good idea to give your doc a clear descriptive name. This makes it easier to find later, and it helps your teammates immediately understand what the document is about. At the top of the doc, you'll see a title field, usually showing some placeholder text or a generic name. Click directly into that title area. Your cursor will appear, and you can begin typing the name of your document. Choose something that reflects the purpose of the doc. For example, instead of a vague title like Notes, you might use Marketing Strategy Q3 or Team Meeting Agenda. Clear naming becomes especially important once you have dozens of docs in your workspace. After typing the name, simply press Enter or click outside the title field. ClickUp automatically saves your changes as you go, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. From this point on, your doc is created, named, and ready for content, whether that's text, checklists, or embedded items. If you'll be creating many docs, it can help to develop a simple naming convention. For instance, you might always start with a project name, followed by the type of document and a date. This isn't required, but it can make searching and organizing much easier over time. You can repeat this process anytime you need a new document. Just go back to the top right corner, click the Create button, choose Doc, and then name it appropriately. The more you use this flow, the more natural it will feel, and soon creating a doc will be as quick as jotting down a note. That's all there is to it. Click Create, select Doc, and name your doc so it's easy to recognize later. With this simple process, you can build out all the documentation, notes, and plans your team needs right inside ClickUp.